Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to get coins in Foundation Galactic Frontier so you can upgrade faster, trade smarter, and progress through the game without getting stuck. So let's start with the easiest and most reliable method. First up, you want to complete quests and missions. Story missions, daily tasks, and special objectives are one of the best sources of coins. They usually reward you with coins, XP, and sometimes rare items. Make sure you log in daily so you don't miss those easy rewards. Next, you want to explore and loot everything. As you travel between planets and space stations, open crates, containers, and abandoned cargo. Many of these give you coins directly or items you can sell later for coins. Another great method is to sell items and resources. You'll collect extra materials, duplicate gear, and loot you don't really need. Take these to a trading post or market NPC and sell them higher. Higher tier and rarer items usually sell for more, so always check the value before selling. You should also participate in events and challenges. Timed events and faction challenges often give large coin rewards, especially if you complete all objectives or rank high. Now, these are some of the fastest ways to farm coins, so don't skip them. Then there's earning coins through combat, defeating enemies, clearing strongholds, and fighting bosses can all reward you with coins. Stronger enemies usually drop better rewards, so once you're geared up, higher level combat is worth it. Finally, you want to use trading and the market wisely. If the game has a player driven market, you can buy items cheap and sell them when demand is high. This takes patience, but it can be extremely profitable if you learn market trends. And basically, that's it. That's how you get coins in Foundation Galactic Frontier. Focus on daily quests, loot while exploring, sell unused items, and take advantage of events to stack coins fast. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!